Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for men's health, energy, and overall vitality: testosterone. A lot of guys are looking for ways to naturally support their T levels. And the good news is, it doesn't always require a massive lifestyle overhaul. In fact, some of the most powerful changes you can make start right in your kitchen. So, if you're ready to unlock your inner strength and feel your best, stick around. We're about to break down how you can support healthy testosterone levels, and it all begins with what you put on your plate. Let's get straight to it. One of the biggest game changers for hormonal health is nutrition. Your body is like a high-performance engine. It needs the right kind of fuel to run optimally. When we talk about fuel for testosterone production, we absolutely have to talk about fats. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Fat is bad. But that's a huge misconception. For decades, we were told to avoid fats. But the truth is, your body needs healthy fats to produce hormones, including testosterone. Think of dietary cholesterol and healthy fats as the foundational building blocks. Without them, your body's hormone factory simply can't operate at full capacity. So, the first step is to shift your mindset and embrace the right kinds of fats. So, what are these right kinds of fats? I'm talking about things like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and especially fatty fish. These are packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that your body craves. These aren't the trans fats you find in processed junk food. These are essential nutrients that play a direct role in your endocrine system. When your diet is rich in these good fats, you're providing your body with the raw materials it needs to maintain hormonal balance. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. Making simple swaps, like using olive oil instead of vegetable oil, or snacking on a handful of almonds instead of chips, can make a significant difference over time. Now, let's zoom in on a true superstar in the world of healthy fats: omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard about them in the context of brain health or heart health, but their benefits for men's hormonal health are just as impressive. Omega-3 South are a type of polyunsaturated fat that our bodies can't produce on their own, meaning we have to get them from our diet. The main sources are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. These powerful fatty acids are integral to the structure of our cell membranes, which affects how our cells communicate, including the cells responsible for hormone production and signaling. So, how exactly do omega-3 South help with testosterone? One of the key mechanisms is through reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent stressor on the body. When your body is in a constant state of inflammation, it diverts resources to fight it off, leaving fewer resources for other important functions, like producing testosterone. It's like trying to build a house during an earthquake. It's just not efficient. Omega-3s are potent anti-inflammatory agents. By helping to calm down the systemic inflammation, they create a more favorable internal environment for your endocrine system to function properly. This means your body can dedicate more energy and resources to what it should be doing, like maintaining healthy hormone levels. Let's think about this from a practical standpoint. When you're constantly eating processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, you're essentially fueling inflammation. This puts your body on the defensive. Your stress hormone, cortisol, can rise, and high cortisol is known to have an inverse relationship with testosterone. When cortisol is up, testosterone tends to go down. By incorporating more omega-3 rich foods into your diet, you're actively fighting back against that inflammation. You're helping to lower cortisol and creating a hormonal landscape where testosterone can thrive. It's a powerful, indirect way to support your T levels without resorting to extreme measures. Beyond just fighting inflammation, omega-3s play a role in what we call testosterone responsiveness. This is a really interesting concept. It's not just about how much testosterone your body produces, but also how effectively your body can use it. Your cells have receptors that testosterone binds to, kind of like a key fitting into a lock. When testosterone binds to these receptors, it triggers the desired effects: muscle growth, energy, libido, and so on. Research suggests that the health of your cell membranes, which is heavily influenced by your intake of fats like omega-3 South, can impact the sensitivity of these receptors. Healthier, more fluid cell membranes may lead to more responsive androgen receptors. In simple terms, this means that the testosterone you do have can work more efficiently. You get more bang for your buck, hormonally speaking. So, how can you start getting more of these amazing fats into your diet? It's easier than you think. Aim to eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week. A nice piece of grilled salmon or some mackerel can be a delicious and incredibly effective way to boost your omega-3 intake. If you're not a fan of fish, or you're looking for a more convenient option, high-quality fish oil or algae oil supplements are a fantastic alternative. Just make sure you choose a reputable brand that has been tested for purity. For plant-based sources, try sprinkling a tablespoon of ground flax seeds or chia seeds on your oatmeal, yogurt, or in your smoothies. A handful of walnuts makes for a great afternoon snack. The key is consistency. Making these foods a regular part of your routine is what leads to long-term benefits. Let's put it all together. Supporting healthy testosterone levels is a holistic process. It's about creating the right environment within your body. While exercise and sleep are incredibly important pillars, never underestimate the power of nutrition. It is the foundation upon which everything else is built. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in whole foods and, specifically, healthy fats like omega-3 South, you are taking a proactive and powerful step towards optimizing your hormonal health. You're reducing inflammation, providing the essential building blocks for hormone production, and potentially improving your body's sensitivity to testosterone. It's not about a magic pill. It's about making smart, sustainable choices every single day that add up to a stronger, more energized, and more vital you. It's about unlocking that strength that's already inside you. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this breakdown was helpful and gave you some practical tips you can start using right away. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future content. We've got a lot more to share on health, fitness, and becoming the best version of yourself. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite way to get omega-3 South in your diet. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.